run for my money. There was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's lovely.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Shavonda, and if you're returning, what it do? All right, welcome to a new video. Like, this weekend is my boyfriend's birthday, and I don't feel like we're doing anything too big, and I really wish that we were doing something really big and really nice and very fun. But you know what, it is what it is. It is what it is. I had put in for vacation and my vacation was denied. I put in for sick leave, which my supervisor do know that I have been sick and I have been going to the doctor. So, you know, I put in for sick leave. That got denied, and that was a whole situation. So, all I'm gonna say is, anyway, I realized that anywhere you walk, because that is not a situation that I'm new to, anywhere you walk, there will be people who are in higher positions who will use their power against you, and that's just that's all I'm gonna say about the situation, because I know there are people who would definitely use their position to their benefit, and that's just what it is. So the little plans that I did have, all with the whole doctor visit, all with my boyfriend birthday and stuff, it kind of went down the drain a bit, because, you know, apparently my life's supposed to be surrounded around my work, and not like I have a work and personal life balance. Like, that is not applicable, because apparently my personal life needs to fit the preference of people who is higher position than me. So hey, listen, so it's just an intro to my video. Very disappointing, but still, that's interesting that y'all go stop right for there. But that's just an intro to my video, and I hope that I still could enjoy the little weekend with him and do what we need to do. Yeah, that was well. Right now we are in Pomerose, St. David's, and basically, of course, we're going to be doing something on the car, because, you know, as we get paid, the car wants something, you know, the car, you know what the car say. He wants something. So we're up in St. David's, about to get that done, and then hopefully we could get KFC. Hopefully we get KFC. Hopefully I could drink my sorrows away too, because I have this. This actually tastes really nice, but it's just too strong, boy. What, are real strong. I don't know why it does have to make this so strong, but I'm drinking my pain away. I don't know if that's gonna make me worse or not, but something had to numb that pain, boy. Something had to numb it, you know? Anyways, yeah. I'll check you guys back when something more entertaining is happening. Oh. Y'all cannot tell me that these cell phone devices does not be listening to our conversations. Because why am I talking to y'all about me getting my vacation denied and telling you, alright, I did initially take the vacation because of birthday celebrations. Why I got denied, and why I see this on my freaking Instagram page. Hold on.
I'm feeling like niggas ain't taking this job as serious as me. And then I got niggas calling me, hey, Nav, can I get off today? Today my birthday. Nigga, f*** your birthday. Nigga, you is 43. You had 42 years to celebrate your birthday. Now that I'm the shift leader, nigga, f*** your birthday, nigga.
That's exactly what they told me. You bitch.
Yes, we are back at home right now, and we're supposed to go to a little car show later on tonight. I might bring you all, I might not. I don't know when my next battery is, so I need to charge it so that, you know, I'm going to bring y'all, because I want the quality to be good. And my iPhone is not the best quality, so hopefully this might do better. So I'm going to bring y'all, and we're going to go at like a car show and sell like a nice car and stuff. Hopefully I'll be confident. Hopefully I'll be confident to record and stuff. I really do need to get like a tripod that I could use. Okay, because this cannot work. Okay. This cannot work for me. I need to get a tripod real bad. Oh, is this both of my batteries are in my pocket? Perfect. Hey, I'm going to go put them to charge immediately. This was the outfit for the day. You can see. This was the outfit. Hey, my pocket got tricks so. Real nice, real cute. What I want to wear? Never, that's not what I want to wear. What I have to wear to the car show, I don't really like it because I feel like it's more going to the club, going to the party, you know, going to like an event, like a cruise, like, you know, that type of vibe I feel like would be great for the outfit. But that is literally all that I have. I really thought I would get my packages yesterday, and that I would have outfits to wear that I had planned to wear for the car show, but that's down the drain. So I just came from the shower. Apparently we needed to get ready. No, because like I really wanted to edit, but that's not possible anymore because I really wanted to post tomorrow, which is the 1st of June. I really want to post because that'll be like my first video from my break. That'll be nice to do it on the 1st of June, right? Unfortunately, that's not what's happened. So, boo-hoo, sorry for you. I can't edit, and then tomorrow we have to be up early, so I'm not going to get no time to edit. I might edit. I might be able to get time to edit tomorrow. Well, I don't know. Let me get ready and put on some clothes and do something still. Hold on. See, they give us this kind of thing and them to come inside here. They to give us thing to eat because I'm confused. What do I do with this? That was a waste of money, I think. Hold on, I don't want that. Yeah, over here. I can't see good. Alright, nice.